Welcome back. Today we are going to be creating a teacher planner that we can create to sell on Etsy. So what I'm doing is going to Canva and I am selecting and searching for teacher planner. You can see there's tons of templates out there and I'm just picking one. You won't have to worry about commercial rights if you have Canva Pro and if you are editing and customizing the template. So I'm using this one as a template and I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to customize it and make it our own. And then we can download it and put it on Etsy for sale as a printable or digital document. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is go through my styles on the left hand side, and I'm going to just start kind of playing with different color palettes to find one that I like, because like I said, the goal here is to customize it and find something that that's pretty, that we like and that we think our customers would like. Now I'm gonna start editing some of the elements. So you can see me right here working with that rainbow graphic up there. I'm just changing some of the colors to find what I think will look nice. So here I am doing that. All right, we're on to the page 2, and I am gonna be just again going in and making some changes. So I'm going to change the color of those text boxes because this is going to be printable and digital. So I want people to be able to easily see either their pen or their digital, if they're using like a GoodNotes or a digital planner, to be able to see it. So I'm just messing with some of the transparency of the graphic that's on here. And I realized as I was doing this that one of the 3 colors in the graphic is the same as the background, and you will see me here realize that shortly before I go and change the color of one of the rows within the I'm also going to take the font that's there and I'm going to move it up and put a couple more lines. So I love this page because it really allows for some really great goal setting and vision casting, which I think is so important to have in almost any sort of digital planner or workbook or things like that. So here's me finally realizing it's the same color as the background. So I'm going to go ahead and change it, and now it's coming to life. Way to go, Amy. So I'm going to continue editing this, and I want to point out too, if you are looking for a step-by-step instruction on how to create Etsy printable and digital items, you want the full out instructions, go to the link in my bio. I have an Etsy success guide that's 27 pages. It leads you through exactly how to do this on your own. All of the steps from figuring out what type of products to create, to making sure that they will be profitable, to creating them here in Canva, which is a free system, to getting them on Etsy and selling them on Etsy and generating traffic to your Etsy shop. So check that out. It'll be down below in the bio. And now I'm doing the same thing with the rest of the pages. So I'm doing this again, and I'm gonna basically just make kind of the same changes that I did to just make it consistent from a flow perspective. So I'm going to put on some music and let's jam out, and you can follow along step by step and create your own planner, your own teacher planner if you really want, and just customize it, and we can do it together. Right now that I got through all the months, I'm going in and just putting some final touches on it. For example, class pictures. I duplicated this page because I'm going to assume that teachers have way more than 9 students in their classroom. So you can see all I did here was created a duplicate page, which is that little icon at the top next to the trash can. It has a little plus sign that will easily allow you to create a duplicate. If you are looking for Canva basics, go to my page, and I'm working on uploading a Canva basics tutorial there here shortly. So go check that out. Here I'm just putting the final touches on it. I'm changing the color of the days of the week just so that the user is able to see it a lot better. And then going through and making sure that everything looks amazing. One of the things I love to do is to lock some of the elements on the page, especially if there are elements in front and behind of certain elements. So for example, the pink on this page, I went and I froze that element, and then I selected all of the boxes on top of it so I could easily change all of their colors. If I didn't freeze it, like you can see me doing right now, if I don't freeze it, then when I go to select it, like I just did, it would also include the big pink box behind it. So that's why I am selecting that lock icon and then going and selecting all of them, and just click and drag over everything that you want to change. So here I am changing the color of each of the date boxes just because, again, I don't, for those that are going to be printed, I don't think they're going to have necessarily white markers. Teachers have a lot of things, but I want to make sure that it's a little bit more accessible to those who maybe printing it out. Now, this is going to be a digital and printable document, so people who purchase this have the chance to either print it out, it'll be a PDF file, or it'll be a digital item that they can upload to something like GoodNotes, or there's a whole bunch of different note-taking softwares they can upload it to, and then use an Apple Pencil or a stylus to write on it digitally, which is really popular among teachers and among people. I kind of go back and forth between digital planners and paper planners. There's something really satisfying about a paper planner, but I love the efficiency of digital planners. Like, it just feels good. So here I am, and I am getting ready to finish this up. I'm going to go to that share button and go to download and download it as a PDF. I do PDF standard, and then I just click download. It takes a couple seconds to download, and then you guys are going to see the final result. And just as a reminder, you can go check out the Etsy Success Guide in my bio for step-by-step instruction on how to create digital and printable items on Etsy and make money. So enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and bye-bye.